Hi, I'm Ruchi. I'm in my 30s, working in the corporate sector. And as a 20-year-old, I had gone to, set certain goals and dreams that I wanted to achieve at a certain number, when I was in my 30s. And this year it has made me realize that, it suddenly dawned upon me I have not been able to do that. So much to the effect that, I feel like a hamster who's constantly running on a wheel in a continuous loop, and I'm not able to break that loop. I have lost focus of what my goals are, what my dreams are, who I am as a person, what I want to be. And it has affected my personal, professional, and my mental and physical being, so much so that I've kind of lost all sight of what where I want to be. It's just that I'm in a dark tunnel and I don't see any light at the end of it. But something changed for me in the past 3 weeks. Even though I have a set of family and friends who are always helping me out, cheering me out, I felt stuck. And the only person who was able to jolt me out of that sleep, jolt me out of that state, and give a kind of a push towards the right direction is my life coach Nupur. And I wouldn't call her just a life coach. I feel that she's like a fairy godmother who or and a guide and a mentor who has come at the right time, to make me realize certain things that I did not know about me. So there are a lot of things that I've discovered with the help of Nupur, and I can't thank her enough for that. Like just in the first week, when we did the personality test, she made me realize that I have a certain type of personality, and there are a lot of positive aspects of it that, and I need to concentrate on that and bring out the good aspects of that personality, and be confident, be comfortable in that kind of a personality type. Because was always of the belief that you need to be certain, you need to have certain, you need to kind of mold yourself into a certain person to be successful, to get what you want. But she's made me realize, no, if you're a certain personality type, you can achieve the things that you set yourself out for in that mold. You don't need to be someone else, you just need to be the best version of yourself. Not only that, she's made me realize that there are certain six core baseline values that I operate on, and when these baseline core values were not met, professional, your spiritual, your mental, your physical being, and that one needs to adhere to those six core baseline values, and it is interdependent of a lot of factors, and it doesn't necessarily mean that each person has the same core baseline values. That was a big discovery and realization for me, and I thank Nupur for getting me to that stage, to see that, to go reach inside of my own being, of my own capabilities, and try to find out and get to know about this. Not only that, she's also made me realize that it's me who is limiting my own self. There's no one else who can be blamed, or who can be uh, responsible, or who is responsible for me not letting uh, achieve certain things that I want to. It's just me, it's my self limiting beliefs. And she's the one who made me realize, and she's helping me, in fact, to break that mold and to come out of that mindset of thinking that I can't do this, I can't do that. She's helped me empower myself, and she's always pushing me, she's always helping me out, always motivating me to be the best version of myself. She's helped me turn my negative course that I've built all through my life to my to the empower course that can help me achieve what I want and what my goals are. And honestly speaking, it's such a relief to be with her on each and every session, because whenever I complete a session with her, I feel so high on life. I feel, in such a good state. And not only that, when the session is over, she keeps on checking up on me, whether I am adhering to my six core baseline value, whether I'm practicing my empower codes, and I'm keeping true to my personality. And and to have someone like that in your life, guiding you through each and every step through that, I talked about that tunnel, and I can see my tunnel lit up, so I don't need to wait till the end of the tunnel to see a light. I can already see my tunnel, being lit up. And every step I take towards this journey, towards this journey of self realization, of achieving my dreams, and being the best version of myself. uh, I can't thank Nupur Passionate, who helps you empower yourself, who makes you realize who you are. She doesn't want you to be in a she doesn't want you to be like everyone else. She just wants you to be the best version of yourself. And I think she has that, and she has that capability, she has that insight to see the light in you, to see the magic, the power in you, which you kind of have forgotten all about it. And she's just bringing out the best in me, and I can't thank her enough. I mean, and it's such a revelation, it's such a joy to have her in my life. And there's so much to learn from her. There's so much to learn about myself from her. And I don't know what else to say. I'm just incredibly thankful to her for helping me, realize who I am, what I'm capable of achieving. And in the past 3 weeks, it has made such a difference in my life that my whole uh, the way I think, the way I approach people, the way I tackle situations has become so different the way I used to before. I suffer a lot from anxiety and sleeplessness, and I overthink a lot. And as a coach who always, as a person, she always talks about, training your mind, and she always says one thing, that it all begins in your mind. So she's helped me, get my mind to a level where I start thinking and believing in myself. And that has made a big difference in the way I see things, in the way I interact with people, I tackle situations. And trust me, she's just making me realize the best version that I want to be, you know. And I just can't thank her enough. And I'm looking forward to, it's been just 3 weeks, and I'm looking forward to, my the remaining weeks, and what I'm going to discover about myself, because each week is kind of a big breakthrough for me, even if it's small, but it's a breakthrough for me. And I don't think without Nupur I would be able to realize what I'm capable of, because like I said, I was stuck, and now I feel that I can achieve my goal. Though it's not a sprint, it's not a marathon, it's just a journey that I feel so happy to be on. And with Nupur by my side, I think I will be able to get to where I want to be. So thank you, Nupur, for everything.